Hey guys, I'm Raz.
I'm Phil.
I'm Neilton, and welcome back to Metal Manglers. And I'm sorry it's been so long, but you're gonna see why right now. We've been up to a bunch of stuff. How about this? How about that bad mamma jamma? Let's take you inside. Come on, take a look at our new digs we got. We got us a stacker trailer. We already got one car upstairs. Yeah, that's right. It's already got a dwarf car in it. We've already put most of our stuff in here. New to us, war wagon. It'll hold 7 dwarf cars, so we have decided to name it Snow White. So we've also been busy with other stuff. This is the new shop. You guys remember the old shop? This is quite a bit bigger. It's a mess right now, man, but we're just moving in. And I gotta give mad props to anybody who moves and still continues to put out YouTube videos, because we have not been able to do it. This is insane, the amount of stuff that we had to move to get into this new facility, reorganize it, make it workable, and make it flow nicely for us. So now we actually have 2 different sides to the shop. Before it was just one big floor plan we were using. This one we've actually separated in 2 different areas. What you just saw was our fab side, and then
This is the prep build side. We're gonna see, as you can see, we got 2 builds going on over there. We got our prep side here and got everything going on. It's gonna be pretty nice when we get it all set up.
And yes, that is yet another dwarf car over there. So mad props to everybody who's been helping us out on this. Rob Archibald, probably first among them. Dan Varner, who's around here somewhere, who's been doing the wiring for us. It's just been an amazing amount of work. And again, sorry about the lack of content, but we've been busy. We've been real busy.
And Dan Varner is SD Wire Nut.
Yeah, sdwirenut.com. And then I want to close this with sad news. A fellow Dwarf Car Racer, Nathan Rock, lost his life a few days ago. Our regards out to his family, man. So I'm Raz.
I'm Phil.
I'm Neilton. Thanks for watching Metal Manglers. We'll get you some more awesome content here shortly. Just got to finish setting up and get ready to go. Click the like, hit the subscribe, and we'll see you later. Peace.